fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Good afternoon, Bucal. We welcome you for the last matchup of the semi-final round of the Bucal Season 5. It's the rematch between the first runner-up of the Bucal Season 4, the ACC Green Serpents versus the defending champion, NCF Tigers. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami para maghatid ng aksyon sa loob ng hardcourt. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, and with me is Rick Puerta na makakasama niyo all throughout this game.
Yan, tamang-tama ka dyan, Tin. At live na live rin tayo dito sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating semifinals round. So, nasa ibang sitwasyon tayo ngayon kasi itong dalawang kupunan na ito nagharap nung last season ng Bucal sa finals. But dito, knockout system para dito sa ating semifinals. And let's see kung sino ang mangingibabaw at mag-a-advance sa ating finals sa darating na weekend. So yan, ang NCF Tigers nga is all known because defending champion. They are known for the home of the champion nga on their tagline sa school nila when it comes to the ACC Green Serpents. This is not new to them because nakarap na nila ang ating defending champions na NCF Tigers and syempre ACC. Walang talo dito sa ligang ito. So a little bit of pressure on both sides. So let's see kung anong game plan at ipapakita nitong dalawang kupunan na ito.
Kaya naman kaabang-abang po talaga ang magiging match-up ng dalawang kupunan na ito. At kanina nga po, nakapasok na po sa ating championship round, the Annunciation Panthers nanalo kontra sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman ngayon, hihintayin na lang natin kung sino nga ba ang makakasama ng Annunciation Panthers between the NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. Ngayon nga, pinag-uusapan natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. On the side of the NCF Tigers, yan nga, inaabangan nila na makuha muli ang kampyonato dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang preparation nila this semi-final round. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla na may kasama ngayon. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Tin. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. At alam kong marami na ang nag-aabang for this matchup. And to tell us about their preparation, we have their head coach, Coach Momo. Coach, good afternoon, Coach. Coach, matanong ko lang po, since you are the defending champion, how do you handle the pressure about it?
Sabi nga namin, mas maganda yung nakaka-feel ka ng pressure at medyo may kaba para mailabas yung talento mo at yung mga players kasi pag kampante na medyo mahirap na.
And Coach, since this is a rematch game dahil sila yung nagharap during the finals on Bucal Season 4, gaano nyo po pinaghanda ng game na to against the ACC Green Serpents?
Pinag-aralan din namin talaga yung opensa nila at saka yung depensa nila and of course yung sa amin din. And hopefully mailabas namin sa laro kasi kahit anong aral mo kung yung application ay hindi mo ma-execute na maayos, wala pa rin. So sana pumabor sa amin yung laro ngayon.
Yeah, and of course, Coach, since you are the head coach of the Tigers, ano po ba yung reminders nyo sa kanila bago magsimula ang game na alam nyong makakatulong sa kanila for this game?
Unang-una sinabi namin na just enjoy the game kasi ganun ang basketball, may nananalo, may natatalo. Ang importante, marunong tayong tumanggap kung ano ang kalalabasan nito. And most of all, ibigay lang namin lahat ng best namin and we leave it all to God kung ano man ang kalalabasan ng laro ito.
And Coach, please invite our viewers to continue support the NCF Tigers.
Iniimbitahan po namin lahat kayo ng mga nasa NCF community at yung mga fans, family and supporters ng mga NCF Tigers. And manood po kayo sa live at may space pa po rito. Pumasok po kayo, suportahan natin yung Bucal. Napakagandang liga po and siyempre yung NCF Tigers.
Thank you so much, Coach, and best of luck. And there you have it. That is Coach Momo, the head coach of the NCF Tigers. This is Kyla Casulia on the side of the NCF Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan nga, thank you so much Kyla. Napakinggan nga natin dito na kailangan lang mag-enjoy ng ating defending champion para makapasok sa ating final. Sabi nga ni Coach Momo, may natatalo at may mananalo. Ang pinaka-importante daw sa kanila is mabigay nila ang best nila dito sa laro nito because ACC, hindi ito madaling kalaban dito sa ating liga. And let's see kung anong gagawin nilang bagong game plan dahil pinag-aralan daw dito ang offense and defense ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So I'm so excited and I'm sure everyone is excited na masaksihan ang bakbakang NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
Yan nga, syempre magkaibang baon nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Kaya titingnan natin kung hanggang hanggang saan nga ba ang maipapakita ng ACC as well as the NCF Tigers. At kung makikita mo nga, Rick, punong-puno na po ang ating ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium para sa bakbakang ito dahil nga ito yung pinaka-inaabangan natin. Akala natin magtatapatan sila sa finals, but now, a rematch dito sa ating semi-final round. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali na may kasama pa. Hi Ali, update natin dyan.
Hi, Tin and Rick, and good afternoon once again, Bucalandia. We have narrowed down into 4 best teams of the seniors division, now battling it out for their spot on the finals. Last season, the ACC Green Serpents fought against the NCF Tigers. Today, we will witness another fierce battle from this rival team, clenching their position for the finals and finally get their hands on the glorious victory. And of course, one factor of such success would be the coaches. Kaya naman, here with me right now is the assistant coach and the president of the school, Coach George Alter Berses. Coach, good afternoon. Yesterday, it was a success for the Junior Serpents. Now, another battle for their senior counterpart. What can we expect from them on this ball game?
You can expect us to play competitively, and we will play hard, and we will try to win.
Coach, last season, you were against the NCF Tigers. How does it feel playing against them today?
Today is another opportunity for us. Some say that this is a rivalry, but we don't consider it as a rivalry. This is an opportunity. It's an opportunity for the basketball fans. Again, na makikita nila yung dalawa last year na naglaban sa championship. That's why, kausap ko nga si Coach Momo last night. Nag-usap kami na sabi namin, it's too bad na napaaga yung match-up namin ngayon sa semis. Gusto sana namin magkita ulit kami sana sa finals. But eto na yun. So we will pray hard. And good luck to the NCF Tigers and also sa Green Serpents.
Coach, you now have the floor to invite the ACC community and all basketball enthusiasts to watch and support the ACC Green Serpents this Bucal Season 5.
Okay. Again, I would like to invite all the basketball enthusiasts to watch this game between the NCF Tigers, the defending champions, and the Amando Cope College Green Serpents. To all our staff, and ACC community, it's too bad na masama panahon natin dyan. That's why we cannot travel. Hindi namin pinayagan mag-travel yung mga students namin to come here today. So again, thank you so much for supporting Bucal, and let us enjoy this game. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach, and best of luck to the whole team. This is Eliza Faith Patessa Respeto reporting on the side of Amando Cope College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan nga, thank you so much Ali for that update. Sabi nga ni Coach, napaaga daw ang paghaharap nitong ACC Green Serpents kontra NCF Tigers. Talagang itong dalawang ito, crowd favorite when it comes to this basketball league. Talagang nagpapakita ng magagandang plays inside the hard court. So I'm very excited kung sino ang mag-a-advance sa ating finals and sino ang malalaglag dito sa ating liga.
Yan nga, sabi pa nga dito ni Coach George na ito po ay isang opportunity for this both teams to showcase their skills in basketball. Kaya naman suportahan niyo po ang bawat team na naglalaro sa ating Bucal Season 5 at aabangan natin ang bakbakang NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. At sa ating pagbabalik, magsisimula na po ang mainit-init na last game ng ating semi-final round. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium. And as you can see on our background, madami na nga ang tao dito sa loob ng ating venue. And there you have it. Naipakilala na nga dito ang starting five ng dalawang kupunan. At in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang ating laro. Again, matchup between the Tigers and the Serpents. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong araw na ito?
Now, tip off kung kanino nga ba ang unang ball possession for the semifinal matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Sino kaya makakapunta sa ating championship round next week? The finals of the Bucal Season 5 now. ACC versus NCF. First ball possession goes to ACC now. Nagar passes to Bron on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Nico Nagar for that layup.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Montalvo passes to Sablaon. Sablaon with that fast break. Jumper, no good.
Now Nagar having the ball for the ACC. Ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. 16 seconds to shoot here. Maaga pa lang, pero mainit-init na ang pagtanggap sa larong ito. Now Acabado passes to Galvez. 12 seconds to shoot for the Green Serpents here.
Great steal coming from Montalvo. And now Montalvo looking for his teammate. Ariate passes to Masinas on that corner. In and out ball. And the whistle on that last play. Foul was called on jersey number 8 para dito sa Green Serpents. Now, Malia Pre on that free throw opportunity. Ayan, let's give thanks to our sponsor. We have the Havaianas, Bigs, and the Lee Sportswear. Thank you so much po. Again, Malya pre. No good on that 2 shots.
Now Acabado for the ACC. Jersey number 16. A whistled foul. It will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Simula pa lamang tayo. Pero back-to-back foul for these 2 teams. 8 minutes and 47 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Mario, first attempt was good. Let's see, what will the ACC Green Serpents, kung ano ba yung bao nila para dito sa semi-final matchup against the NCF Tigers. They are on the lead. 4-0 nothing run.
Now, Sablaon, fast break. First personal foul ang natawag dito kay Nagar. Now, Sablaon. On that free throw line for 2 shots. First point ngayon ang ating NCF Tigers.
Acabado. Passes too strong. So a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, NCF Tigers on the offense. 10 seconds to shoot. Montalvo tries for that 3. Great block. Pero andon si Ariate.
Still on the lead, ACC with 1 point. Nagar. Pass to the wrong person.
Great steal. Sablaon for that fast break at makakakuha ng 2 points.
Now this is a good matchup between these 2 teams. Tawagawan ng bola. Galvez pass to Acabado. Libreng-libre sa baba. To get another point for the Green Serpents.
Now, Tigers basketball. Sablaon passes to Ariate. Masinas. Malya pre on that 3. No good. Montalvo on the rescue. No good. Still the ball will go on the side of the Tigers. 10 seconds to shoot. Ariate.
Pero that's stepping on the line. So that's the turnover for the side of the ACC. Pero they will review it for that last sequence. .58 on our scoreboard. Still on the lead of 3 points itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Nag-uumpisa na nga ang pag-init ng laban ng ACC versus the NCF. Now we're going to see a very good matchup between these 2 teams. Pero Rick, napakaganda ng kanilang defensive and offensive side. Talaga namang pinaghandaan ng dalawang kupunan na ito ang kanilang muling pagtatapat sa ating semi-final round. So let's see kung sino nga ba sa kanilang dalawa ang papangalanan nating isa sa makakapunta sa ating championship round. Now, while the referees...
Ayan, Tin. Mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Angela Laika Buela, John Lawrence Bellison, Galidoro Cortezano, and Dwayne Dueñas. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
Your Team Bahay, we are live on One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page, Bucal Facebook page, and Oragon Sports TV. Dahil medyo punuan na po dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium. As you can see, the fans of the NCF Tigers. At sabi nga kanina ni Coach George, hindi makakapunta ang fans ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero nasa online world sila, sumusuporta para dito sa ating Green Serpents. Now 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining on our first quarter. While waiting for the decision of the referee if it's stepping on the line doon sa 3-point shot attempt ni Ariate. Shoutout din tayo dito kay Albert Johnson Antonio, Rica May Bonavente, Roy Angelo Iglesia, at kay Ariel Sablaon na nanonood sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa ating dalawang koponan na ito. Now, let's see the replay. Ariate now. In the corner. But we're still waiting. And the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. With just 4 seconds to shoot here.
Now, Ariate to inbound para dito sa Tigers. Passes to Sablaon for the 3-point attempt, and it was good. 2 points rather para dito kay Sablaon.
No. Binawi naman agad yan dito ni Almario for the Green Serpents. Ariate with the ball. No foul was called to Naga here. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. "15 seconds on the shot clock. Ariate to inbound.
Ariate again to inbound. Sablaon on that long three, no good.
Nagkakagawa pa ng bola. But the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Malamig na panahon dito sa bakbakang ACC, pero grabing intense sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium. Now, Yantero. But that's an 8 seconds violation for the ACC Green Serpents, so this would be a turnover again. Medyo napaparami na turnover dito ng ACC Green Serpents.
6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And still, maganda talaga ang pinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Their defense and offense. Low scoring pa rin tayo dito sa ating first quarter. Montalvo, pass to Ariate, looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Montalvo, what a great steal coming from the Serpents.
Calves di diretso, pero andyan si Almario to get that second chance point.
Malyapre, looking for his teammate para dito sa Tigers.
That's a traveling violation. Heavily guarded on si Ariate. No choice. Now turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents with the lead of 3 for our first quarter. Now Yantero. Grabe depensa ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na to. Let's see. With 17 seconds to shoot here, Yantero Passes here to Almario, back to Llantero. Now he will go inside. Now Galvez to take on. Too short for that one. Nagkakagawan pa dito ng bola. Now let's see. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, NCF on the offense. 3-point lead dito ang kailangan nilang habulin sa ating first quarter. Now, substitution on the side of the Tigers. Katamora is in. Malya press out. Ariate, tatawi dito ang bola. Another tight defense para sa Green Serpents. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Pero this time, mapupunta na ang bola sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. We only have 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter, pero medyo nahihirapan pa itong ating dalawang koponan dahil sa higpit ng defense ang ipinapakita nila. Now, Almario passes to Galvez. Now, Galvez to Bron. Heavily guarded here. Now, passes for a 3. No good for that one. But offensive rebound. Now Llantero on the inside. Still no good.
Now Ariate passes to Sablaon for 3. No good.
Llantero nagmamadali dito. Wala pa rin.
Katamora for that rebound. Now Ariate may hawak ng bola. Masinas on that corner. Too short for that.
Sa grabing depensa ng dalawang koponan nito, nahihirapan silang pumuntos sa ating first quarter. Still on 7-10 for our scoreboard. Now this the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Cabado passes now to Llantero. 20 seconds to shoot here. Now, guarded by Ariate. Passes to Almario. Tries for 3. Offensive rebound. Llantero ngayon nasa loob to get that 2 points.
Brito may hawak ng bola dito para sa ating NCF Tigers.
Now still for the Green Serpents, Llantero for a layup again. A back-to-back points coming from him. Ngayon nga, napatawag po ng timeout ang NCF Tigers with a score of 7-14. 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Magbabalik pa po kami for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back now here at ATENEO Gymnasium para sa pagpaputuloy dito sa ating first quarter ng bakbakang ACC Green Serpents at NCF Tigers. Now, 7-14 on our scoreboard. Still, a tight defense coming from this both teams. Low scoring now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Bang! Pass now to Brito.
Now, NCF ball possession. Kailangan nila ditong pumuntos. No good on that.
Now, medyo nahihirapan sila dito sa kanilang offensive side. And again, a turnover for the NCF Tigers. Now, Guades. Now, that's a defensive side of the ACC, but still on the side of the NCF. Ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents now. Nagmamadali na itong ating dalawang kupunan ito sa ating first quarter. Laresma is in for the NCF Tigers now. Cabado passes now to Liantero. Maaga-aga pa. Pero diktikan na talaga ang depensa ng dalawang kupunan na to. Sayang, napakaganda sana nun.
Now, Laresma. May hawak na bola, passes to Catamora for 3 at unang 3 para dito sa ating NCF Tigers.
Now, that's a clean basket coming from Catamora, but Acabado on the other hand. It was a foul. Ball will still be on the side of the Green Serpents here. Acabado to inbound. Libre tries for 3, no good. Catamora without rebound.
Now a chance for the Tigers here to score.
No, NCF Tigers has 17 seconds to shoot. Guades to inbound.
First quarter pa lamang teen pero talagang mainit na
Yes.
ang ganap dito sa loob ng ating venue dahil sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Guades passes to Brito. And now, NCF Tigers ball possession.
Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Penalty na itong ating NCF Tigers. 14 seconds to shoot for the side of the Tigers. Guades to inbound. Ten seconds. Laresma. No. Nagkakagulo dito. Nagkakainitan na sa loob ng hardcourt. Laresma on the free throw line. No good for that first attempt. A minute and 40 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. 4-point lead of the ACC.
Second shot was good para dito kay Laresma.
Bonaobra now. Passes to Acabado. Now on the inside for a rotation. No good. Catamora secure the ball now. Nagkakagawan pa dito.
Now, NCF again on the offense. Catamora. A great steal coming from the Serpents here.
Galvez. Passes now to Acabado. Going inside for a layup. But that's a foul.
Grabeng depensa dito ang pinapakita ng Green Serpents. That's why ang ating NCF Tigers nahihirapan when it comes to their offense.
Still low scoring, 11-14 para sa ating first quarter. Acabado. First shot was good. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining para sa ating unang quarter. Kung kanina maganda na yung aksyon na panood natin Annunciation versus ATENEO, this is a different type of matchup between these two teams. Ball possession of the NCF now.
Now, Brito with the ball. "59 seconds remaining. Laresma tries for that three. No good.
No. Pinagagawa dito ng bola. Pass sa Estudiantero. Now, Bron di diretso. Pero, that's a whistled foul. Bron will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 11-16 on our scoreboard. Last 45 seconds of our first quarter. Still hindi pa natin nakikita yung totoong laro nitong ating dalawang kupunan. And we want to shout out to our 1.5 thousand live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Shout out kay Jasper Magno, Kevin Barameda, at kay Matthew Rico Valenciano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdabay. Now, ball possession of the NCF. Last 42 seconds. Goddess now with the ball. Long pass. Turnover na dapat nilang bawasan bago pumasok ang second quarter. Now with the last 33 seconds, ball possession of the ACC. Muna obra now. Passes here on the corner. Llantero.
Guades nagmamadali dito. And a great point.
May kasama pa yung foul. So a chance for a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Guades. We only have 13 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 13-17. That's it. Tatlo na lamang inahabol ng NCF now with the last 10 seconds of the game. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. What will they do with the last 6 seconds of the first quarter? Bona Obra now on the line for two free throw here. That's good for his first attempt. Yung dating kilala nating ACC na magaling sa tres, hindi pa natin nakikita dito sa larong ACC and NCF. Kaya abangan natin mamaya ang maging mainit na paglalaro nila. Now, with the last 6 seconds of the first quarter, ball possession of the NCF. What will they do? Now, Brito with the ball. Passes now to Katamora to get another point. Pero wala yan. That ends our first quarter, 14-19 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami for the second quarter of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium for our second quarter sa paghaharap ng ating NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. A 5-point lead nga dito ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents.
Now, for the start of our second quarter, this would be their ball possession. 14-19. Advincula to inbound. Start of the second quarter, Llantero now with the ball. We have the chance to widen the gap against the NCF. Advincula passes now to Bron. Monobra back to Bron with 10 seconds to shoot here. Tries for 3. Or that's 2 points coming from Bron.
Guades, nabitawan nga dito ang bola. But Serpents, stepping on the line ang tatawag dito ng ating referee kay jersey number 5.
"14 seconds on the side of the NCF Tigers." At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, ng update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Dean. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and Coach Momo reminds the team to lessen their pressure for this game, since this is a crucial game because the both teams are eager to advance in the final round. They are reminded to execute properly their offense, most especially their defense for this quarter. They also reminded that they should avoid turnovers, and the team continuously reminding each other na bumawi at pag-igihan pa ang play for this quarter. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. Nasa second quarter na nga tayo ngayon and kailangan dito humabol ng ating NCF Tigers if they want to cut and chase the lead ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kitang-kita naman sa performance ng ating ACC Green Serpents na talagang ang gandang depensa ang pinapakita dito, kaya nahihirapan nga ang ating NCF Tigers. 10 seconds to shoot dito para sa ating Green Serpents. Rather 5 seconds on the shot clock. Now, 24 seconds violation ang ating masasaksihan on that last play. Now, para makangi tayo sa kabilang dako ng update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and the Serpents are now on the lead, showcasing the Serpents' dominating spirit. During huddle, the boys were reminded to put your mind and heart to the game. Semifinals against the Tigers is definitely not a walk in the park, so make sure you work hard both on your offense and on your defense. Sa pagkaiwalay na interview, according to their captain, Johnny Cunagar, last season's defeat is what fuels their drive to victory on this ball game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, kailangan pagtrabahuhan nitong ACC Green Serpents sa kanilang offensive and defensive side. And doon nga, sa interview kay Nico Nagar, ginamit nila yung pagkatalo nila last season against the NCF Tigers during the final round para mas pag-igihan ngayon ang kanilang laro and to get the championship now. ACC basketball, 14-21 on our scoreboard. Advincula with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Passes to the wrong person. Now, Sablaon, nasa unahan to get another 2 points here. No ACC. What will they do at this moment? Advincula with the ball. Passes to Bron. Pero whistled foul. 8 seconds. Seven minutes on our time clock for our first half. Still 16-21 now on the line for 2 shots here. Almario No good for that first attempt. Mukhang hindi pa natin nakikita dito yung offensive side ng ACC during the elimination quarterfinals na grabe kung magpakawala ng 3. Now, second attempt was good. 22-16 ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
Ariate passes to Fernandez rather. Muntik pa dito ang maagaw ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Ariate passes to Malyapre, and Malyapre goes inside at makakakuha ng 2 points coming from that last play.
Now with only 4-point lead of the ACC, they need to tighten their defense as well as their offensive side. Now Advincula tries for a mid-range jumper, no good. But the ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. They have the chance para mabawasan ang kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents dito.
Again, NCF on the offense. Ariate passes to Masinas. Mang Sablaon tries for that 3, no good.
Now Llantero secured the ball for the ACC. Guarded by Malyapre, passes to Almario. Napakaganda ng communication inside the court nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. But still, now, ACC at Advincula. Now, Almario again for another 2 points here. But that's an offensive foul coming from Ariate. So a turnover again for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. The offensive foul was called on Malyapre of the NCF Tigers. Now Llantero. Passes on the inside. Almario again making a noise for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. At dahil dyan, napatawag ng timeout ang ating NCF Tigers. 18-28, a 10-point lead of the Green Serpents. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here sa loob ng ating venue, ATENEO Naga Gymnasium, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter matchup. Now, NCF Tigers with the ball possession. Ariate passes to Malyapre. Malyapre to Montalvo. In and out ball, no good.
Medyo nahihirapan dito sa offensive side ang ating NCF Tigers, but now, chance for the ACC to widen the gap here. Galvez now, hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Now on the corner, Advincula. Hindi ka na mawala. Llantero now going inside. No good.
Ariate, nagmamadali. Passes to Malyapre for 3. Again, kailangan dito ng magandang shooting ng ating NCF Tigers.
Nahihirapan pa sila dito makakuha ng puntos. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with 14 seconds to shoot here. Still a 10-point lead, recorded on the side of ACC Green Serpents. Yantero to inbound. Now passes on the inside para dito kay Calves, heavily guarded. Still off the ball at Vincola tries again, no good.
Now Ariate makakakuha ng puntos coming from that layup.
Lumalaban dito ang NCF Tigers. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Yantero now passes to Almario. But foul was called by jersey number 13, Maliapre of the NCF Tigers. Lalabas muna siya dito. Katamora will substitute for his Cabado to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Nagar. Tries for 3. No good.
Ariate tatawid dito ang bola para sa ating NCF. Montalvo on that corner and that goes in. 3 points dito para kay Montalvo.
Now, yun ang inihintay ng NCF community. Napapawi dito. Wala pa rin. Now, ball possession of the NCF. Nagkakainitan na to between the NCF
Tatawagan
and the ACC.
Tatawagan nga ang player ng ating ACC Green Serpents ng foul on that last sequence.
Now let's see the replay on the last sequence. That's the 3-point coming from Montalvo. Natawagan nga ng sportsmanship dito si jersey number 16 ng ACC na si Almario. A free throw plus ball possession para dito sa ating NCF Tigers.
$15 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Tigers. Masinas fires for that 3, no good.
At Vincola passes now to Almario. Nagar with the ball going inside. What will he do? At Vincola now. Passes going inside. Napakaganda nun. Galing kay Acabado.
Now Ariate maximizing his time. Great steal again. Wara defense para dito sa ating Green Serpents.
Now at Vincola. 16 seconds to shoot. A long 3. Offensive rebound. Calves was there for a second chance point.
Now, NCF ball possession. Masinas. 1v1 sila dito ni Galvez. Again. No good on that last attempt.
Nagar for the ACC. Too strong. Pero nasa kanila pa rin yan. Pero that's a turnover. But that's the turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. They have the chance here to lessen the gap of the ACC Green Serpents bago magtapos ang ating first half.
Ariate, tatawi dito ang bola para sa ating NCF Tigers. The ball will remain on their side. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Tigers. Again, nahihirapan ditong magpuntos ang ating defending champion because of the tight defense coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Sablaon. Katamora first for that 3 in and out ball. Galvez for that rebound.
Nawal Mario, nagmamadali dito.
Now Montalvo. Passes to Katamora first for that 3. Again, no good.
Now, Acabado di diretso. A good 2 points here. 24-34, back to 10-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Katamora now handling the ball for the Tigers. Masinas, 16 seconds to shoot here. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Nagkakainitan na yung mga players natin dito. 24-34 with the last a minute and 13 seconds of the second quarter.
Katamora to Sablaon for that 3. Montalvo para sa rebound.
Ang daming opportunity ang nawala doon sa side ng NCF Tigers. But still, this their ball possession. They need to get a point now.
Makakakuha dito ng foul si Galvez on that last sequence. Now, Bang Sablaon stepping on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Now, Rick, medyo nahihirapan dito ang NCF Tigers to convert the point. Naitaas nga muli sa 10 ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Last 50 seconds for our second quarter. Sablaon on the free throw line. That's good for his first attempt. The NCF need to step up now at ibigay ng lahat nila before the second half of the game. Dahil nga mainit-init na dito ang laro ng ACC Green Serpents now. That's 2 over 2 on the free throw shot of Bang Sablaon. Now ball possession of the ACC. Bonaobra now. Passes to Naga for 3. A big 3 coming from him, making the lead on 13. Now jersey number 15 of the NCF. With the last 30 seconds of the first half. Loses the ball now. ACC. Back to NCF now. Sablaon, what will he do? Passes to Montalvo on the inside. Napakagandang communication inside the court of the NCF. 10 seconds to shoot here to end our first half. But still, Sablaon now passes to Montalvo again, making the crowd go wild. Now, 30-37. Sa pagtatapos po ng ating first half, napakaganda on the side of the NCF Tigers na ipakita muli nila ang galing nila dito at magpapalik po kami for the second half of the game. So stay tuned lamang po kayo only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
And we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second half matchup between the Tigers and the Serpents. Acabado tries for that three, no good. Now, NCF basketball, Sablaon. Turnover para dito sa NCF Tigers now. Chance for the Green Serpents to add their score here. Nagar passes to Galvez and tries for that 3, no good. Now Ariate for that steal. Montalvo, no good on that layup. Offensive rebound dito para sa Green Serpents. But the ball will go on the side of the Tigers. Ariate. Masinas to Sablaon. Montalvo fires for that 3. No good. Gabito for that rebound.
Now, ball possession of the ACC. Sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, lamang pa rin po ang ating ACC Green Serpents. That's a 3-point coming from the ACC. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, update natin dyan.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second half of this matchup, and the Serpents are effectively slithering this ball game. During the halftime dugout, the boys were reminded na mas magtrabaho pa and consistently give your best, especially on your defense. Make sure that on the succeeding quarters, they will make up for all their lapses. They were also commended for their effective connection inside the hard court. However, despite their good performance, they were still challenged to always recognize their man and to focus. And every quarter strong. For an effective offense, the coaches emphasize look for the most open man, then go for the basket. That's the update on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. Napakinggan nga natin dito na na-challenge pa rin dito ang ating Green Serpents. Pero nakikita naman sa ating scoreboard na abante sila dito. Ang gandang depensa ang pinapakita sa loob ng hardcourt. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Dean. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded that they should have a good communication inside the court to have a good ball rotation. Coach Momo reminds them to double their effort for this game. Ika nga ni Coach, mas pag-igihan pa for this quarter. They are also reminded that use their hand advantage for this game. For this quarter, we will witness a 1-3-1 defense for the Tigers. Before the end of the huddle, Bang Sablaon reminds the team na huwag isipin ang puntos bagos magtrabaho pa at mag-focus pa for this quarter. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Now, the NCF Tigers need to double their effort. Na andito na tayo sa ating third quarter. Sa pagsimula nga nitong ating quarter, nagpaulan na ng tres dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito, kung saan nagkulang nga sila doon sa ating first half, but now nagiinit na itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now back to 8-point lead ang ACC Green Serpents. Now fires again for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Almario, pero that would be a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, NCF Tigers on the offense. Montalvo, may hawak dito ng bola. Passes to Ariate. Eight-point lead ang kailangan ditong habulin ng NCF Tigers.
Now, Nico nagkarote inside. What will he do? Pero there's a whistled foul there. Grabe yung agawan ng bola dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. 5 minutes and 47 seconds agad ang natitira sa ating third quarter. Napakabilis lang ng oras, kaya kailangang gawin ng dalawang kupunan nito ang opensa at depensa kontra sa kalaban. Now, Nagar is on the free throw line. That's good for his first attempt. Now, will he make it to a 10-point lead again here against the NCF Tigers? Naga again on the line, 35-44. That's good. Again, back to the 10-point lead ang ACC Green Serpents. Ball possession of the NCF Tigers, Ariate.
The NCF Tigers needs to step up here sa ating third quarter. And a foul was called on Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now the Resma again to try and point and score for the NCF Tigers here. 5 minutes and 12. Montalvo secured that ball. Laresma now. Pero he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 37-45. 8-point lead here. Malapit na nating malaman kung sino nga ba ang hinihintay dito ng Annunciation Panthers on the championship round. That's good for the first attempt of Laresma. Medyo maaga pa pero mabilis ang oras ng laban nito. The ball possession of the ACC. At Bucal handling the ball now. Passes on the corner. Ball rotation for the ACC. Naga passes on the inside. Pero block. Nagkakainitan na sa dalawang kupanan na ito. You can see the intensity. Now that's the ball possession of the NCF. Galvez again was called for a foul. We are still on the semi-final round. Hindi pa po ito finals pero napakaganda ng labang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. We're still discussing on that last sequence. Now this is the replay. Yun nga, nagkainitan doon sa baba. Galvez. Galvez between Montalvo. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
Montalvo, may hawak dito ng bola. Passes to Ariate. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Pero Laresma makakakuha ng magandang layup on that last play.
Now 5-point lead here. Acabado. Too strong for that one. A good assist coming from Pagsablaon. And Ariate with that point. Naibaba po sa 3 points na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng ACC. Now we are talking ACC versus NCF. Let's see. Yung last sequence doon, napakaganda. Yun nga. 42-45. A 3-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents para sa ating third quarter. Napakaganda nung naging momentum ngayon sa third quarter ng NCF Tigers. So let's see if they can continue to play that hard against the ACC Green Serpents. Now, inaabangan na lamang natin ang mga susunod na mangyayari sa labanan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo dito kay John May Serio, Nico Perez, kay Perlin Brago, Rain Reyes, Rovic Raimundo, kay John Carlo Mamomong, Joe RG at kay Christine Lois Papa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-adabay. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Advincula having the ball, tries for 3, no good. Now NCF Tigers have a chance to lessen the gap here against the ACC. Ball will go on the side of the NCF with just 20 seconds on their shot clock.
Ariate. Passes to Montalvo. Montalvo makakakuha ng puntos para sa ating NCF Tigers coming from that layup. 1-point lead.
Chance for the NCF here to take on the lead. Laresma may kasama pang foul. Now, this chance for the NCF Tigers. Hindi pa naipasok yun. Unang free throw. Will he tie the game against the ACC now in our third quarter? That's it! We're deadlocked on 45 all para sa ating third quarter. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining now. Advincula handling the ball for the ACC. Passes to Almario, now going inside. But a foul was whistled. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. That's it. Umiinit na dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium para sa bakbakan ng rivalry ng ACC at ng NCF. Now Almario, first attempt was good. 46-45.
What a game! Ito talaga ang hinihintay ng ating mga fans dito sa bakbakang NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents. Talagang sulit na sulit ang panunood ng ating mga live audience and live viewers sa larong ito.
Panzer rebound, Almario again. Make it a 3-point play here. Back to 3-point lead.
Back to 3-point lead dito para sa Green Serpents. Now, Laresma. Passes to Ariate on that corner. Fires for that 3, no good.
Again, ACC loses the ball here. Chance for the NCF Tigers. Laresma with the ball. "13 seconds to shoot, Laresma. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Yantero to Acapado for 3. That's it. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now, NCF on the offense. Ariate finding his teammate. Turnover para dito sa Tigers.
Now Bron. Passes to Cabado again. tries for 3. Nagpabagang 3 para dito. Kaya kabado ng ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita nila performance here. Again, napakabilis lang. 9-point lead again for the side of the ACC. Now ball possession of the NCF. Masinas to answer. No good. Ball possession of the ACC. Chance to widen the gap here for our third quarter. Yantero taking their time here. Last a minute for the third quarter. Almario passes to Bro now. Acapado again. No good this time, but Almario for a second chance point. Napatawag nga po ng timeout dyan ang ating NCF Tigers. 45-58. A 13-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents bago magtapos ang ating third quarter. Now, last 48 seconds dito sa ating quarter na ito. Anong gagawin ng NCF Tigers? Now, that's 45-56. 11-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Anong gagawin ng NCF Tigers dito para mahabol ang kalamangan na yan bago magsimula ang ating last quarter? This is it. Nag-iinit ang ACC Green Serpents, mas lalo na sa kanilang outside shooting. Pero this time, what will the NCF Tigers do at this moment? They need to tighten their defense, of course, to showcase their offensive side. Now back to the ball game here. Ball possession of the NCF Tigers. They have the chance to lessen the gap of the ACC Green Serpents. Again, this is their semi-final matchup.
Ariate, may hawak dito ng bola. Passes to Sablaon. Now, 5 seconds to shoot.
ACC again, having the ball. Will they add the 11-point lead here? Almario na nagkakagawa ng bola. Now, Ariate secure the ball. Pass to Larasma. On the inside, Masinas plus a foul. Chance for our 3-point play for the NCF Tigers now. Last 2 seconds of the third quarter. Masinas on the free throw line for a chance for a 3-point play here. 47-56. 9-point lead. Will he make it 8? That's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. 47-56. Magbabalik po kami for more actions for our fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro. Fourth quarter na sa ating match-up between the NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. And still, the lead is on the side of the Amando Cope. What will the defending champion do to lessen the gap here sa ating final quarter? Now, Masinas, may hawak ng bola, passes to Ariate. 10 seconds to shoot.
Basket count para dito sa ating NCF Tigers plus a bonus free throw for a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Palahe. 49-58 or 56. That's good. Balik sa atin. Kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Now this the last 9 seconds or 9 minutes and 38 seconds para magpakitang gilas dito. Now Yantero with the ball for the Green Serpents. Heavily guarded here, but still for the NCF, Masinas passes on the corner, Laresma. Now, Ariate on the inside for Bang Sablaon para dito sa ating fourth quarter. Baba sa apat. Let's see, what will the ACC Green Serpents do at this moment? Yantero, heavily guarded here. Strong pass. Turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. Now they have the chance again to lessen the gap at para makingi tayo ng update all the way from this side of the NCF. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Dean. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and for the last quarter of the game, they are reminded to double their effort because this is the last chance to advance in the final round. Coaches remind them to stay patient inside the court and stay on their composure. Mas kailangan pang paganahin ang game planning system para makabawi for this quarter. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, hype na dito sa loob ng ating venue. 2-point lead para dito sa Green Serpents. Ball possession ng kanilang kupunan.
Now Acabado to inbound with last 12 seconds to shoot here. Acabado. What will he do? Heavily guarded here. NCF Tigers have the ball now. Larasma. 22. Nag-iinit. Saplaon. Taking on the lead against the ACC Green Serpents now. Nagkakagulo na po ang mga tao dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium with the last 3 of Bang Sablaon. Now 57-56. A 1-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now this is what you call a semi-final round between these two strong team of the Bucal Season 5, the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Grabe, as you can see, nagtayuan kanina yung mga supporters dito sa loob ng gymnasium for the last 3-point shot of Bang Sablaon. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, update natin dyan.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the last quarter of the game, and the Serpents are still on the lead, showing their hunger to clinch their spot for the finals. During the huddle, words of encouragement were heard from the boys, emphasizing to work harder. Kulang pa, mas pagtrabahuan dahil hindi pa tapos. The captain also reminded them that all of them are best players, so make sure to contribute to the team. Last quarter, last tsaga, never let your mind slip away from the momentum. Recover quickly and enjoy the game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan dito mag-extra effort ng Green Serpents kasi naagaw na dito ang lead ng ating NCF Tigers.
Now, Rick, that's a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. Chance for them to widen the gap here. Napakagandang change of momentum para dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
Bang Sablaon.
"17 seconds to shoot here for the NCF Tigers. Ariate to inbound.
Now Laresma looking for his teammate. Passing the ball. Pero turnover dito para sa NCF Tigers. Chance for the ACC Green Serpents.
Now that's a back-to-back turnover that they need to lessen now. Dahil nga nasa pinaka-intense set na tayo ng game. Almario, passes on the corner for Acabado. Acabado heavily guarded, tries for 3. No good. Ariate ngayon nagmamadali on the inside for a layup. Too short for that one. Ball possession of the ACC Bron. What will he do? That's a layup coming from him. May kasama pa yung foul. So a chance for a 3-point play here for Bron. Back to the ACC Green Serpents, ang ating 1-point lead. Bron for his bonus point. Yan, napatawag nga ng timeout dito ang ating NCF Tigers. 57-59. 2-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents now. 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our final quarter of the matchup of the ACC and the NCF Tigers. Napakaganda pong laban ang ating napanood ngayon. At maya-maya aabangan natin kung ano pa bang aksyon ang ibibigay ng dalawang kupunan na ito sa atin. Dalawa lamang po ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents. So let's see what will the game plan of the NCF to take on the lead. And if the ACC will be consistent with their play to snatch the championship spot against the NCF here. Shout out to our 2.2 thousand viewers sa ating live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers as Ariate to inbound the ball.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Five seconds to shoot.
Now that's a 24-second violation for the side of the NCF Tigers. So this would be a turnover for the ACC Green Serpents now. 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining for our last quarter. Ball possession of the ACC with 2-point lead here. Nagar. Pass on the inside. Nagar now. That's good. Another layup for the ACC Green Serpents. Back to 4-point lead here.
Now, NCF Tigers on the offense. Ariate looking for his teammate. Palahe trying for that. No good.
A chance again for the ACC Green Serpents to widen the gap against the NCF. Nagkar. No good for that 3. Larasma with the rebound. Ngayon, pumapalya na agad yung mga puntos dito ng dalawang kupunan. What will they do at this moment? Almario passes on the corner, heavily guarded here by Laresma. On the corner for three, a big three coming from the ACC Green Serpents now. 7-point lead. Huwag dapat tong pakawala ng NCF Tigers. Ball possession, Ariate. Passes to Bang Sablaon. Sasagot naman agad ng tres si Bang Sablaon dyan to lessen the gap against the ACC. Now with the last 18 seconds on the shot clock of the ACC. 60-64. Naga. Pass to Bron. Now Acabado for three. No good. Rebound by Masinas.
Now, chance for the NCF Tigers here to have a score and cut the lead para dito sa ating fourth quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. And a great layup coming from Ariate. Down to 2-point lead para dito sa ACC Green Serpents.
Bawian lang tong dalawang ating kupunan. Now, Nico Nagar. Going inside. In and out ball. But Pron was there for the second chance point for the ACC Green Serpents. Back to 4-point lead here. Too strong para dito sa NCF Tigers to turn over na kailangan bawasan nila. Now that we are on the last 4 minutes and 27 seconds of the game. Ball possession of the ACC. 62-66. Now Nagar handing the ball for the ACC. Semi-final round. Now Nagar, mid-range jumper. Long two for him.
Ariate, tatawid ngayon ang bola para sa NCF Tigers.
That's it. Back-to-back turnover para dito sa NCF Tigers. Now chance for the ACC to widen the gap against the defending champion. Nagar. 62-68. Nagar di diretso. Pero that's an offensive foul called by Nico Nagar. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Now they need to tighten their defense here, Ariate.
Now, NCF ball possession. Kailangan nila ditong pumuntos. Ariate passes to Montalvo with that layup. And it was good.
64-68. Just 4-point lead of the ACC. We're still not finished here. Nagar on the 3-point line. That's good! Another three for the ACC Green Serpents. Bang Sablaon, ano sasabihin dito? A whistled foul. 64-71. Now up to 7-point lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. This is a very crucial last 3 minutes of the game. Sablaon now. That's good for his first attempt. 65-71. Kailangan maipasok na itong free throw to make it a 5-point lead against the ACC. That's 2 over 2 para dito kay Bang Sablaon. Now, back to the intense game. Nagar handling the ball now. Nag-iinit dito ang ACC sa outside shooting nila. Going inside, heavily guarded here at Vincula. Muntika na mawala ang bola. Almario now with 9 seconds to shoot. Passes on the corner for Acabado. No good. Pero, that's a foul. Offensive foul. para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Full shot clock para dito sa NCF Tigers. Ariate.
Ariate looking for his teammate. Passes to Bang Sablaon. Fires for that 3. No good.
Now, ball possession of the ACC. 66-71. 5-point lead here. Let's take a deep breath as we are now going on the finals at Bucal. Pass to Acabado. Tries for big 3 for the ACC. Back again, an 8-point lead. Now Malia Pre. Pass to Bang Sablaon. What will do? Pero that's a foul. He'll be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now he needs to shoot this to lessen the gap against the ACC. 66-74, making it a 7-point lead. Marami pang magagawa dito ang ating 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Sablaon again. Two over 2 para dito kay Bang Sablaon. Back to the ACC Green Serpents ang ball possession. Now, we are now down to the last 2 minutes of the semi-final matchup of this ACC and CF. Galvez now passes to Advincula. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Galvez. But that's a traveling violation.
Now, chance for the NCF here to chase and cut the lead. 68-74 sa ating talaan. The ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Ariate to inbound. Passes to Malyapre, and the connection between Malyapre and Montalvo. 70-74 sa ating talaan.
No. Almario passes to Nagar with a 4-point lead of the ACC. Long 2, in and out ball. Now Ariate. "16 seconds to shoot here. What will the NCF Tigers do? Ariate now with the ball. 5 seconds. Bang! Sablon! Pero offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Pero that's it for the second chance point of Montalvo. 72-74 of the last 45 seconds of the game of the ACC now. Unti-unti na pong nauubos ang ating oras. Last 45 seconds of the game. Now let's see. Yantero with the ball. What will he do? Now on this side is still from the NCF Tigers.
Makakakuha ng foul ang player ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And now, Bang Sablaon. Bang Sablaon on that free throw opportunity. 2-point lead. 27 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. What a game.
First attempt was good. Isa na lamang dito ang hinahabol ng NCF Tigers to tie the game against the ACC Green Serpents. With the last 27 seconds of the game, what will the finale of this game? Sablaon, 2/2. Pero napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe yung bakbakan ngayong araw na ito. 74-all deadlock matchup between the NCF and the ACC Green Serpents with the last 27 seconds of the game. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari dito. Grabe, nakakakilabot yung larong ACC-NCF. Akala mo finals na, Rick.
Yes, tamang-tama ka dyan, Tin. Nakikita naman natin dito sa loob ng ating venue na talagang grabe. Speechless when it comes to this matchup. Grabe talagang pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers. Shout out sa lahat ng mga live audiences dito sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium and also sa ating 3K viewers sa Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Tutok lamang sa ating 27 seconds remaining time sa larong ito. We are all tied up. At para makikita yun ng update sa side ng ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. The last minutes of the game are just getting fiercer. During the huddle, the boys are reminded to set their mind on the game and double their efforts in defense and find the most open man for an effective offense. This is the most important quarter, so play this quarter well. That's the update on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga. With the last 15 seconds of the game, what will happen between these two teams? We are tied on 74-all. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, let's call Kyla. Kyla, update natin dyan.
Rick and Tin, we are now on the crucial game right now, and Coach Momo reminds them to double their effort. Huwag makontento at one step at a time. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Now, nagkakagawa ng bola dito. NCF Tigers have the ball. Now, Maya Pre, passes to Bang Sablaon. But that's a traveling violation committed by Bang Sablaon. We are now on the last 3 seconds of the game. What will the finale of this matchup with 74-all?
Grabe, Tin. 3 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Magkakaroon ba dito ng overtime para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito?
Now let's see. With the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents with the last 3 seconds and 47 counts of the game. Yantero to inbound. 74-all now. Will it be an overtime? Or papakalanan natin ang makakasama sa ating final or championship round. Yantero to inbound. Passes now to Acabado. 2 seconds, 1 second, and that's it. We are now down on the overtime of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Now we also have another 5 minutes of the game to determine who will be the team that will go on the championship round. What a game between these two teams. Grabe yung determinasyon ng dalawang kupunan na to to get on the championship round. Nagsitayuan na nga yung fans, but still we have a 5-minute game to decide here.
Grabe, Tin. Overtime kung overtime para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Grabe, parang championship match na ang nangyayari dito sa loob ng ating venue. Amazing basketball game between the NCF Tiger and the ACC Green Serpents. Talagang puso kung puso. Walang bibitaw dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Ayan, we are back on court for another 5 minutes para dito sa larong ito. Extended match. What would we expect dito sa dalawang koponan na ito?
Now back to the ball game tayo. NCF Tigers versus ACC Green Serpents for the semi-final round. We will determine who will be the team that will go to our championship round. Now this is the ball possession of the NCF or the ACC Green Serpents. Acabado to inbound. This time, kailangan na talagang gawin ang lahat ng dalawang koponan na to to get that win. Acabado to inbound. Passes now to Nagar. 74 all sa pagtapos ng ating fourth quarter. Now in the overtime, Nagar make again a 2 points here para sa ACC Green Serpents.
Now, NCF Basketball, Ariate looking for his teammate. Passes to Masinas. They need to have a score here. Ariate fires for that 3. Too long for that. Two-point lead para dito sa Serpents. Now ACC Green Serpents ball possession. Acabado for 3. No good for this time. Ariata with the rebound. Ariate looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Masinas.
Now ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. They're on the lead of 2. Naga nagmamadali dito. Tries, but blocked by Montalvo. No, ACC again had a chance to get a point here. Nagar handling the ball. Munti ka nang mawala, heavily guarded here. Braun passes on the corner. Acabado. No good. Offensive rebound. Almario gets that point. 4-point lead here. Napatawagan ng timeout dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. 74-78. 4-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining on our overtime. Magbabalik po kami only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back again here at ATENEO Gymnasium for the continuation of the overtime of the ACC versus NCF. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
Tigers ball possession. Bang Sablaon may hawak ng bola dito. Fires for that long 3. No good. 4-point lead.
Now Acabado.
At para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, ng balita dyan.
thank you, Rick and Dean, for the last 3 minutes. Coach Brian reminds them na atin to. Walang bibitaw for this game. Coach Momo also reminds them to give their all for a sure win today. Kailangan pang pastatagin ang opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa. Dahil malayo pa ang oras, kailangan na ng mga tamang desisyon for this game. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yan nga, kailangan tatagan at mas pag-igihan ang depensa ng NCF Tigers. Now, na nasa lead ulit ang ACC Green Serpents by 6. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Ariate with the ball. Will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers with 15 seconds to shoot here. Ariate to inbound. Now, Laresma. Pass to Ariate. At para naman makingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, update natin dyan.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. During the huddle, the coaches reminded the boys to utilize this extra time to widen the gap and make every possession count. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update. Abante na naman nga dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang ang gandang defense ang pinapakita sa loob ng court. Another great defense.
Now, Nagar, sila on the lead of the ACC with the last 1 minute and 33 seconds of the game. Galvez. Napakaganda nun coming from Galvez. Now, this is a 10-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Nabitawan agad ng NCF Tigers sa kanilang momentum from the last fourth quarter. Pero natawagan pa nga dyan ng foul itong si Almario. Natawagan nga ng technical foul itong si Almario.
So discussion here inside the court. Let's wait for the final announcement coming from our referee here. Basket para dito kay Bang Sablaon.
Ball possession pa rin to ng NCF Tigers. 75-84. Now 9-point lead with the last 1 minute and 9 seconds of the game. Ariate to inbound. Now passes to Bang Sablaon. What will they do? Tries for 3. No good. Nakalawang na muli ang ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating overtime, but that's a traveling violation. Back to NCF basketball. Kailangan na nila ditong makagawa ng puntos with the last 59 seconds of the game and 9-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents.
Three points para dito sa NCF Tigers. 78-84. 51 seconds remaining. Great steal coming from Ariate. And Ariate with that layup.
No, 80-84. Apat na lang muli ang hinahabol dito ng NCF Tigers with the last 44 seconds of the game. Titingnan natin Makakahabol pa sila dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents, or the Green Serpents continue to get a point sa ating last 44 seconds after the overtime. Let's see, mapapangalanan na po natin ang papasok sa ating championship round. Pero bago ang lahat, batiin lang din natin ang ating live audience. Shoutout tayo dito kay John Hans Blair Cruz, Mart Lorella, Apple Bragais, John Marie Frank Marco, Carl Boticario, Shelyn Ausher, James Kenneth Navarro, kay Christian Gonzalez, at kay Sarabia Jade. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. So let's see. Last 44 seconds, 80-84 with the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Shoutout din tayo dito kay John Robert Dasal, Julian Peter Guergo, at kay Apple Bragais. Now, ACC Green Serpents stepping on the line. Turn over for the side of the NCF Tigers. Last 42 seconds of the game. Pero, i-review pa yan na ating mga referee doon sa ating last sequence. They will challenge if it's really stepping on the line. Last 42 seconds, 80-84. 4-point lead. Now let's see what will happen. Grabe yung intense game na ito. Sino kaya makakalaban dito ng Annunciation Panthers sa ating championship round? Now, this is the ball possession of the NCF Tigers with 14 seconds to shoot.
Back to the ball game tayo, Ariate. To inbound para dito sa NCF Tigers. 40 seconds remaining. And a great crucial steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents.
Now what will they do here? Acabado now with the ball. Passes to Galvez with the last 20 seconds of the game. 4-point lead of the ACC. A pass to Braun. 2 free throw ang nakabang para sa kanya. Grabe itong bakbakang ACC NCF. Mukhang finals na ang ating napapanood. But on the lead, ang ating ACC Green Serpents of 80-84 with the last 15 seconds of the game. Now, Bron on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now, still, hindi na ipasok ni Bron yung una niyang free throw. "15 seconds of the game. 5-point lead. 15 seconds. Ariate now with the ball. Nagmamadali dito. Going for a layup. Wala pa rin. Ball possession of the ACC. Last 7 seconds of the game. Grabeng bakbakan ng NCF at ACC dito. Both teams are now on the penalty.
7 seconds remaining on our time here. And 5-point lead para sa ACC.
"80-85. Bonaobra for a second attempt on the free throw line. In and out ball. With 6 seconds, ball possession of the NCF. Masinas tries for 3, no good.
And that's it.
That's it. Nakuha nga po ng ACC Green Serpents ang panalo against the NCF Tigers. At sila po ang maglalaban against the Annunciation Panthers. Napakagandang laban. Overtime for these two teams. At mamaya po makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Tutok lang po kayo. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
The best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences Experience Home Living. The seniors team of the ACC Green Serpents continued the success of their junior counterpart and finally got their revenge on their rival team, the NCF Tigers. And one player showcased his drive to win, no other than jersey number 7, Rosendo Acabado Jr. with 25 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists and 2 steals. Good evening and congratulations. You are back to the finals. What's going on in your mind right now?
Sobrang saya po kasi yung inaagad namin na makapasok ulit sa championship, nakuha po namin.
Alright, next week you will be against the Annunciation Panthers for the finals. What can we expect from you and the whole team?
Siguro po mas magiging porsigido kami kasi championship na po ito at siguro paghahanda po namin ng maigi.
Of course, best player, sino naman ang mga gusto mong batiin at pasalamatan?
Pinapasalamatan ko po ito sa t-shirt po ng Bigs at saka mga ka-team ko po, kundi po dahil sa kanila, di kayo makapasok dito. At sa pamilya ko po, galing pang nito, sa Acabado family at sa girlfriend ko po at kila boss ko at kila coach at sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa Amando Cope College po.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Now this has been Eliza Faith Patesa Respeto, courtside reporter of Amando Cope College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 5. One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game jersey, number 7, Rosendo Acabado, with 25 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations to ACC Green Serpents for making it to the championship round of the Bucal Season 5. And still, congratulations to our defending champion, the NCF Tigers, for giving us a good fight this evening.
Yan, talagang pinakitaan tayo ng magandang laban dito ng dalawang koponan na ito. Grabe, hindi natin makakalimutan ang bakbakang NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Pero guys, may nananalo at may natatalo, and yun nga, congratulations to the ACC Green Serpents for bounding it to the finals. So abangan natin next week ang mga laro dito lamang sa ating live stream media na Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po natin ang championship round next week. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Junior Cubs para sa ating juniors basketball, and Annunciation Panthers and ACC Green Serpents for our seniors basketball, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.